Kev G weather overview. How's it going out there, everybody? Well, we're slowly working our way through this very high humidity that we've been dealt by Mother Nature over the last couple of days. There's really no escaping it. And with such high humidity values and small disturbances running around, we run the risk of afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms, much like we have the last couple of days. And that will be the theme again tomorrow, Wednesday, and into Thursday. But on the other side of this frontal boundary, ladies and gentlemen, we are looking at some exceptionally gorgeous weather for the upcoming weekend. So if you've got big late summer plans this weekend and you're planning a family barbecue, or you're just going to go out of town for a couple days but stay in the northeast part of the United States, you are in for sensational summer weather. So this is AccuWeather.com. This is the front that is going to bring the relief. It's going to do it in rather painstaking fashion. It's going to take a couple days to get this front through because the front is meeting some resistance. So we'll take a look at that. We'll take a look at the NAM model first. Now, these short-range models, they haven't been doing a great job with picking up on the afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms, but this is what it looks like, or what it thinks it's going to be doing, the atmosphere that is, for tomorrow afternoon. And it has scattered showers and thunderstorms once again bubbling up for Tuesday afternoon. And, you know, I wouldn't trust this on its face, but, you know, you have to keep in mind that, you know, anywhere you are across the tri-state area tomorrow, there can be that thunderstorm with torrential rain. But then I think we get into a more widespread shower and thunderstorm situation for Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night as that front makes its closest approach. And once we get into Thursday, we're still going to be left with leftover clouds and some scattered showers and thunderstorms. It could be one of those days where it's just overcast and muggy and we're just waiting for everything to push on through. But once we get this front to dive to the south, we are in great shape for the upcoming weekend. In fact, if you've been following me this whole summer and you've been looking at the overall pattern, it really doesn't get too hot or humid for too long. I mean, we had to endure a heat wave in late July. We've had this muggy, soupy air mass. It's been very uncomfortable. But if you take a look at the European model, this is by Friday, and this is just a pattern where the northeast part of the United States is just basking in beautiful summer weather with temperatures in the mid to upper 70s, lower 80s, not a lot of humidity to speak of. And as we go into next week, it looks like more of the same. It looks like that heat and humidity just can't make inroads in here due to the aforementioned pattern. So we take a look at Weather Underground. Once we get past Thursday, I mean, how do you like this? I mean, just absolutely delightful. I could see over the weekend in the outlying areas where we get into the 50s, up into the Hudson Valley, the Pine Barrens of Long Island, one of these nights where the wind goes calm. So we are looking at exceptional summer weather once we get past this very muggy air mass that we are currently in right now. And the obvious threat of showers and thunderstorms by now is obvious to most of us because we've been dodging thunderstorms the last few days. So just be on the lookout for those torrential downpours the next couple of days. I think by Thursday afternoon, Thursday night, we are starting to turn the page and enter into a beautiful summer weather pattern for this upcoming weekend.